Okay, welcome to this tutorial video. I wanted to go over the curtain wall tool. It's something that while working on my project I've become pretty familiar with. It took me a really long time through kind of experimenting and making mistakes before I really figured out how to use it, and I hope to kind of share a few of the things that I learned. So if I come here and I click on this little arrow, you'll notice that there's really only one curtain wall type that is pre-uploaded. But if I go ahead and double click on this tool, you'll notice that our settings come up. And what's really cool about these curtain walls is pretty much every single part of them is customizable. The first little tab you're going to see is the scheme. And this allows you to adjust the sizes and adjust the sizes and kind of alter the grid a little bit. So if I play around with the widths here a little bit, you'll see that the widths of my whoops. Also, don't hit enter because it'll exit. But if I start playing with the widths of these, I did it again. You can see that it starts changing in my bar down here. So basically, I just changed the width of the B column. Now, if I want to do the height, I can change the height of this number one row. I can say 10 feet. And I pressed enter again. But now you can see I'm changing up the look of my curtain panel now. If I wanted it all uniform, I can change these all to 5 feet. That's what I ended up doing, was just a nice uniform curtain wall. I can also I can change the width of my pattern. I can add more rows with these little plus signs, as well as change up the pattern. So I can make the pattern just a little bit different if I wanted to. The next little bar is the frame. Now in this bar, I can go ahead and change the material that the frame is made out of, or I can change the shape of the frame, and that allows for quite a bit of customization and allows you to put in the curtain wall that fits your project. Now if I come down here, here you can see this is where we would change the material that this frame is made out of. And then finally, if I go to panels, this is kind of where I had the most fun, because here there's a ton of different options of panels you can use. You can put in, for example, you can put in a revolving door in your curtain panel or your curtain wall. You can put in different size or different shaped windows. And what I did is I just went with these regular CW windows, and I can so here I can change the windows. So if for example, if I picked a window that opened, if I wanted to do something crazy and made all of these windows casement windows, or wanted to make a couple of them casement windows, I could go through and I could change the direction they swung. I could change the direction they swing. I could change how they're hung, obviously, and so there's a ton of customization available. There's also accessories that can be either downloaded from the internet, or there's a couple that are preloaded on here. There's a cap, there's different anchors, there's a sunshade, and online there's plenty of accessories to be downloaded for your curtain wall as well. Also, once the wall is in place, so say I place this wall and I want to go back and edit it, what I found the easiest way is is I can click on this wall, and then there's this edit button. You can hit edit, and right here you can go ahead and either hide. This makes it a little bit easier when editing to hide and reveal different things, or you come down here to the curtain wall settings, and clicking on the curtain wall settings brings you back to this toolbar, and you can go through and